So, what is the truthful origin of Yaoshang in our mythology and the greatest lies by Hindu monks for the last 150 years? Even the word Yaoshang derived from ancient Meitei word YAOL Shang. The festival has been practicing since time immemorial with the birth of God APANPA, better known as EPUTHOU PAKHANGPA, in the month of Lamta, for 6 consecutive days, where the All Mother Goddess delivered the Divine Child in a temporary hut for the famous Thabal Chongba of the festival was originated from the divine ritual of OUGRI HANGGEN CHONGBA, a dance performed by the 7 goddess, the Lai LupnTalet, to protect their husband, God PAKHANGPA, from his angry brother, God SANAMAHI. And so, on the Thabal Chongba evolved with time and still continue even today. The fake narrative and Hindunisation of the Yaoshang with Holi, begun during King Chandrakriti or Nongdrenkhomba, connecting the birth of Chaitanya in Fairen Tha to the Lamta Purnima. The whole past 5 to 6 generation of Meitei falsely believed the Hindu propaganda of praying Hindu gods and imposed hailing Hari Bola, let the truth be revealed. Yaoshang is not a festival of color Holi, celebrated only 2 days, but celebrated 6 days for the birth of EPUTHOU PAKHANGPA. The Hindu propaganda had totally distorted our festival. So let's learn the truth and divine origin of our festival, Yaoshang, and celebrate in our forefathers' way.